Nasir. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to draw stuff, I guess. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is draw a few horizontal lines from all the points of the face where it curves in or go out, like the forehead, the indentation between the forehead and the nose, the lips, and all those points. After you finish doing all your horizontal layers, now it's time to draw the basic shape of the head. What you're gonna need to do is look at the image and draw something similar to a head shape, to an egg, but also while doing that, make the tip where the chin is very pointy. Alright, great, so now you have your basic head shape. So on a separate layer, you're gonna actually do a sketch around the head shape, adding in the features like the mouth, the nose, the eyes, and even the hair. Alright, great, so you've done all the previous steps. Now it's time to add your line art. Whenever you're doing your line art, you want to make sure that you're using very confident lines, so no jagged lines allowed. People tend to notice whenever you're doing that, and it comes off as you being very insecure about your lines. So very straight, confident lines. Trace over the sketch that you've done on a separate layer, and that's how you get your line art. So notice how my line art is very smooth and confident. I try my best to keep it that way. Now it's time to do the hair. When I was doing the hair, I used a brush in IBIS Paint X called the calligraphy brush. I'm not sure if it's free on the app, however, all the brushes, you have access to all the brushes by just watching one ad, and then you can use them for a full 18 hours completely free. lot of brushes in IBIS Paint X to do realistic hair, anime style, and a variety of other styles. So if this brush isn't suiting your needs, feel free to try something else. Finding this video useful, please be sure to comment and give suggestions for future videos that you guys would like to see, or ask a question about this video, probably something I said in the video wasn't clear and you want some clarification. I'll be replying to your comments, so feel free to do that. And also check me out on Instagram at NasXAuto. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the rest